effectively generating and managing leads with email marketing. Emails are one of the best ways to communicate with others. They are quicker than postal mail, more efficient, serve many purposes, and completely free to send. Did you know that emails can even be used for marketing? With a simple click of a mouse, an email can be used as a marketing tool. In the following video, you will learn how to use emails for that specific purpose. Even though it should be obvious, it is important enough to state over and over: never send unsolicited emails. You should have explicit permission from everyone you send marketing emails to. This is about more than trying not to upset them. A recipient who considers your email spam can cause trouble for you with your service provider. Send your opt-ins a link that they must click on to confirm their subscription to your email list. This way, you ensure that it is something that they want to do, and it will protect you from getting complaints about spam. Let your opt-ins know in your pitch that they will need to click on a link. Make sure that your email subscribers know exactly what to expect from you. An excellent way to do this is to make your first email to every new subscriber a default informational message. You should lay out what sort of content you intend to send them, and also indicate the frequency of messages they can expect from you. Use tools to measure the success of your email marketing campaign. You should learn all you can about how many times your emails are read, if your subject lines are being read, which videos you write are being read, etc. Using information like this can help with the future success of your campaign, since you will know what works and what does not. In conclusion, emails are a great communication tool. There are many advantages to using emails, such as speed, efficiency, and cost. In addition to a communication tool, emails can be used as a marketing tool as well. All you have to do is remember the information from above and you can use emails for marketing. Now that you got a clear knowledge about email marketing, are you ready to start? Please don't start without my full free training on email marketing. I will offer you a full $97 training for free just to make sure you succeed. Say thank you by subscribing to my channel and by liking this video. Click the link in the description to access my free full training on email marketing.